Okay, what do we have here? This is a I'm assuming Casablanca ceiling fan over here. And that's it. What I found. Oh, look at what I found here. It's another Casablanca. No, these were the first two Casablanca. I forgot there was a third fan hidden over here. Well, yeah, it's just over here. I don't know why it's placed there. And it looks like it's hidden, and it's hidden in a wall. And the other two fans are just freely out here. This one is just in the wall. There are no fans in the clothing area. So, I don't know how this fan was just hiding in here, but yeah, that's it. Fans are the same model. That's it. Anyways, here's 3 Banville and Varfan bronze line industrials. And there's one Hampton Bay industrial over here. It's using the old blades of the Banville and Varfan bronze line. Now there's 460-inch Hampton Bay industrials, and the Ultra Air HVLS ceiling fan by the south entrance. That's it. Okay, we have 3 big-ass Haiku fans. They're different sizes. Big-ass fans. Alright, now this is what I came here for. Here. Here's a big ass HVLS fan. Yeah. That's it. This is an Ultra Air HVLS fan. It's off right now. That's it. Enviro North HVLS fan. I filmed this fan on my first channel before I got terminated. This fan is off now. That's it.